I'm not going to preempt, what will be in any particular review, but what I will say is we are all focused on two things, and that is, number one, ensuring the best outcomes for Australia. That is what we want. And number two, ensuring that we deliver policies to the Australian public that they can go, yes, that is what we need. We agree that that is the best way to take our country forward to ensure that we are a credible opposition to this government and that the Australian public can legitimately choose us to lead them at the next election.